Hi everyone, this is a little behind the scenes of filming. I'm doing an 80s look right now with the little Walkman that's actually from the 80s from my dad, which is really cool. And then here's our little set. We got another little Walkman right here. And just some things from before the 80s, like the 40s, and just antique stuff as well. Also got a little Radiohead cassette tape. And then some books, a key. There's a little mini Walkman. I think it's upside down. This is just a little behind the scenes to let you in on the little adventure we're on. There's a camera set up, blasting some prints right now.